Hi, this is Sherry Lukey, and this is a tapping audio for feeling hopeless. If you're not familiar with tapping, please check out my video on how to tap. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And starting on the side of the hand. Even though I feel so hopeless right now, I want my subconscious to know that in this moment, there's no threat to my survival. Even though things feel really bad right now, I'm acknowledging it. Even though I feel like there's no hope. And it feels so overwhelming. I want my subconscious to know and my body that this hopelessness is not a threat to my survival. Top of the head. I feel so hopeless. Eyebrow. Like things will never get better. Side of the eye. Because just when I think they'll get better, under the eye, it gets worse. Under the nose. Part of me doesn't want to acknowledge these negative feelings. Onto the chin. And another part of me wants to wallow in them. Collarbone. It all just feels really bad. Under the arm. I'm afraid it'll never get better. Onto the ribs. Maybe it won't. Onto the wrist. Maybe it will. Top of the head. No, it won't. Eyebrow. Yes, it will. Side of the eye. I don't know. Under the eye. Part of me wants to believe things will improve. Under the nose. And another part of me is afraid to get my hopes up. Onto the chin. Because I don't want to be disappointed again. Collarbone. So it seems better to just feel hopeless. Under the arm. Is it better though? Onto the ribs. Does not getting my hopes up onto the wrist prevent feeling disappointed? Top of the head. No, it doesn't. eyebrow. Instead, I just feel like crap all the time. Side of the eye, which just makes things worse. Under the eye. Because then I just attract more crap into my life. Under the nose. If I let myself be hopeful, onto the chin, it feels like I'm being unrealistic. Collarbone. But is being realistic making me feel better or worse? Under the arm. Worse for sure. Onto the ribs. And I want to feel better. Onto the wrist. Who would I be? Top of the head. And what could be possible? Eyebrow. If I felt hopeful. Side of the eye. What would it feel like to feel optimistic? Under the eye. To feel like things could improve. Under the nose. I would feel lighter and happier. Onto the chin. I'd feel peaceful and capable. Collarbone. So I'm choosing to be hopeful. Under the arm. Looking for evidence that things are getting better. Onto the ribs. Looking for all the things that are working. Onto the wrist. I choose to be hopeful. And taking a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be sure that you are tapping twice a day or whenever you feel stressed, so that you can soothe your nervous system and reprogram your subconscious mind. And remember, when you heal the relationship with yourself, everything changes for the better.